05 model, 9400i International, 624,000 miles, 17,200 hours. ISX15 Cummins, big motor, y'all. 435 horsepower, 10-speed EATON, air sliding fifth wheel. All matching the Maristar D460, 11R22.5, all aluminum wheels, all the way around. Got good steer tires on it. $12K front, $40K rears, air ride rear suspension. It's a nice, tight and right little day cab. Dual fuel tanks. Straight little truck right here, y'all. Seats, air ride driver, radio works, cruise, engine brake, power windows, power mirrors, power lock, power everything, power divider.
That's uu.edu/.
13601 Highway 45, North Finger, Tennessee is where this truck's located. SouthernEquipmentLLC.com is our website for all our retail items. SESbid.com is our website for all our auction items. We have an auction the third Thursday of every single month, y'all. Lots of good inventory in every single sale. Got stuff ranging from $20 to $200,000.